I'll show you how to stop the toolbar menu from disappearing in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Open Microsoft Word now and give it a second to load. When the window opens, look at the top of the screen. If the ribbon is collapsed, you'll see the tab names like Home and Insert, but none of the buttons underneath them. That's the exact problem you're dealing with. Click the Home tab once. The full toolbar drops down so you can see the formatting buttons: bold, italic, font, paragraph alignment, all of it. That's only temporary. Click anywhere in the blank document and the toolbar hides again. Notice the tab labels stay visible the whole time. That's the clue the ribbon is set to show tabs only. The disappearing act is controlled by one ribbon display setting, and you're going to change it now. If your ribbon is already visible, clicking Home just highlights the tab, and that's fine. The next step is the one that locks it. Now look at the far top right side of the application window, right next to the Minimize button. Click the ribbon display options icon. It's small, so don't confuse it with the close button. A little menu drops down with 3 choices. The current setting has a check mark next to it, so if Show Tabs Only is checked, that's your culprit. Do not pick that one. It keeps the tab names visible but hides the tools until you click a tab, which is the exact problem you're trying to stop. Auto Hide is even more aggressive. It hides the tabs too until you move your mouse to the very top edge. I would not use either of those. Click Always Show Ribbon instead. The moment you select it, the full toolbar expands and stays locked. Now click around the document a few times. The ribbon doesn't collapse. And to be sure it sticks, close Word, reopen it, and open a blank document. The toolbar is still there at the top. That's the proof. If you ever accidentally choose Show Tabs Only again, just reopen this same menu and select Always Show Ribbon. It's the same 2 clicks. Now let's use the keyboard shortcut. Hold down Ctrl and press F1. Watch the ribbon collapse. Do it again with Ctrl and F1 and it comes right back. It's a toggle, so the same shortcut opens and closes the ribbon. You can use that from anywhere, even while you're typing in a document. The clipboard and font groups reappear immediately. The same shortcut works in Excel and PowerPoint, so it's worth learning once. I use this all the time when I want a few extra rows in Excel without changing the ribbon setting permanently. One more situation catches people off guard. If you're stuck in full screen mode, the ribbon can disappear and the top of the window feels completely missing. Move your mouse all the way to the top edge of the screen. The top bar reappears. Then click the 3 dots at the top right, or the Restore button, which looks like a square on top of another square. That exits full screen mode and brings the ribbon back into view. Once the top bar appears, the Restore button sits between the Minimize and Close buttons. I'd only touch that if the window is covering the entire screen and the normal ribbon controls are not visible. Sometimes the 3 dots are the only visible control in full screen, depending on your Office version. Either one gets you out. Now open Excel, because this setting is per application, not shared across the whole Office suite. The Ribbon Display Options button is in the exact same spot next to the Minimize button. Click it and choose Always Show Ribbon. You have to do this separately in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Doing it once in Word does not push it to the others. On smaller laptop screens, Show Tabs Only is often selected by default to save space, and that's why the toolbar keeps vanishing. Always Show Ribbon overrides that. While you're in Excel, press Ctrl and F1. The ribbon collapses. Press it again and it returns. That's the better way to get a little more screen space for a large spreadsheet because it doesn't undo your Always Show Ribbon setting. If you're someone who works in PowerPoint for presentations, open that next and repeat the same 2 clicks. The toolbar will stay put there too. If this got your toolbar back, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.